It's Alexander Payne and Michel Franco, everybody.
Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good.
We're here.
We're here. Oh wow, it's really loud.
Hold on, mine's.
Hello.
I don't think mine's is on.
I don't think his is on. Hey, everybody up there, work
Hello.
this thing. All right.
Oh. Yo.
Listen,
God.
I know who it is. Hey, mira, papi, you gotta fix the mic. Fix the mic, papi.
Louder.
Mira,
Louder.
I gotta fix the mic.
Fix the mic.
Mira, espera aquí, espera el mic, they're moving the mic. You talkie, the mic.
If you don't fix the mic, I can't start the show.
He has to start the show. Don't fix the mic. There he goes. Is his mic on?
Hello. Well, you know what? You're just going to have to do the show alone. Go ahead.
Okay. This show will have to continue. I'm sorry, but I have wine. I think the wine for everyone. So how you doing, everyone? How you doing? My name is Jean Fouet. Oh, wow.
Can I get the other one, though?
Yes, you can.
Yes,
My
sir.
fellow Americans, the mic had to be changed for reasons that are not known. Reasons that had to be changed, and therefore the mic will continue to have sound. Yes, we can continue with this show. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay. Got it. All right. So we have wine here, and we're offering it for our people in the front, the people in the back. You can grab the bottle, sir.
Yes. A little
Yes, it's
louder.
welcome to Flight 108, by the way. It's not your usual flight, I know. Me and my good friend over here, Bob, are just going over safety precautions. You know how it is. Up in the sky, not how cool, right? Now, usually, the flight attendants aren't supposed to be drinking, but hey. We're having a good flight, aren't we, huh?
Excuse me? What's that? Stewardess?
Yes.
My microphone isn't working.
Son of a bitch.
Can you do something about that, please?
All right. God damn it. The microphone isn't working, and we need to fix it.
Is anyone here like
I got
a
it.
microphone?
Hey, yo, what the bomber clot? We need the microphone to fix right now. Rip!
When Jamaicans are angry, it scares everybody.
I didn't move.
Oh, what the bomber clot? Listen, white man, you have to fix the microphone right now. Rip! Boom, 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 boom.
That's the wrong one. That's why you guys are fucked.
Last time the bridge
There
didn't
we
have
go.
the microphone.
Hey, I'm alive. Okay.
We're back.
Did everyone get a glass of something to drink? Everybody should have a glass of something to drink right now. Did you get a? Would you like a nice children's? Would you like some chitlins? These are chitlins. He's got a 40 in the back.
40?
You can mix a little bit of chitlins.
Thank you ever run the 40?
Yes.
We like BYOB. Thank you. Thank you. Sip it. That's right.
Yeah.
Sip your alcohol. Thank
What are you guys drinking in the back there?
Someone knock out that light. I'm sorry. You know what?
Tall boys? I bet you like tall boys in the back. Don't make that gay. You know what the problem is? What's the problem? I know it, but go ahead. But they don't know. They don't have any work. To stand clear of the closing doors. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Tell them. Mira, stand clear of the closing doors, okay? Mira, when you hear that boom, boom, you have to stand clear of the closing doors.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
When you hear that boom, boom.
We have to move the fucking train. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
All you kids in the back, listen, don't move, don't touch the train no more, okay? When the doors close, when you hear that boom, boom, don't touch the train.
If you don't move, you're not going to get to school. You don't get to school, you're going to become a fucking MTA driver like me, okay? Please stand clear of the closing doors.
I've been driving the train for quite a long time, and every time I
How
see
long
that,
again? What's that?
it's quite a long time, like 2-3 years, okay.
Okay, that's very long for you.
Yes. And I drive in the trains, and all the time the kids, they play around in the car. I don't like it. I don't like it. I take my job so serious, okay? Mira, I don't want the terrorists come in and make fucking up my train, okay? This is my train, right? Not your train, my train, right?
Your train.
Exactly.
You're directing a lot towards him right now.
I'm sorry.
Why you let your anger out on him?
I don't know.
He paid. Why you know he paid? He paid his swipe. Why you like
He
this?
pays $2.75, I'm sorry.
Mira, come here one. Come here one. Come here.
I'm sorry.
Bring it in.
Mira, coño, mira.
Who's gonna win the World Series this year?
The Yankees, that's all. Just remember that. Just remember that. Every year the Yankees.
The Yankees was so good.
We got Aaron Judge.
Oh, man, we have that, yeah. 25 years, we winning the series. We so good.
Mira, did you pray to Derek Jeter
I
today?
prayed to David Jeter.
Yes.
I
You
said,
did?
Derek, please, for my work. Winning this time. He knows.
You're sweating a lot right now.
Because
What's going on? Something is going on, my friend.
Hey,
You're hiding something, my friend. If I didn't know any better, I think you're hiding
I
something.
don't know what it is. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Oh.
Let him figure it out. I'm gonna take some time to get to know my studio audience. Let's go. You. Right here in the trench coat, miss. You. What brings you here today? What ails you? Give me a second. I've got to turn the music down for a second. Just. Okay, it's gone. Now it's just me and you. Yes. What's your name? I'd like to get to know you. Raven? Like the majestic bird? Well, Raven, thank you for landing here with me. That is so beautiful of you to come here and spend time with me. Now, Raven, what do you do in life? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I just heard your wings flapping. What was that? Raven?
That's a good question.
That is a good question. What would you like to do in life?
To be happy.
To be happy. I believe Raven is Jewish, my friend.
I'll remix it.
Yes. Raven would like to be happy. Well, welcome to behavioral therapy, Raven. I hear you're having trouble being happy. Would you mind telling me what's going on? Beautiful name, by the way. I just want to tell you that.
I just don't know what's going on with my life. I thought I was happy, but I'm not. I just want to be happy. I don't know what's going on. Things are just hurting my life. It's displacement. I put it on one thing when it should be the other, but I know, and it's just, is it me? I don't know anymore.
Well, first of all, I wanted you to stop that negative talk, Raven. It is not you. You're a beautiful young lady in New York City.
Thank you.
So why don't you tell me what's going on in your life right now? Are you not sleeping? You had weight gain?
I've been dating. If that's
Say no
let's
more.
start there.
New York City, you've been dating. Have you been dating anyone in particular? Maybe a man, woman? I don't want to judge.
I should see women. I should. But there's this man.
You don't even have to start with men, okay? I want you to know this now. As a man, I apologize for the other men. I just want everyone here to know that. I am an ally. Okay? Not a liar, but an ally. So if you're a white, straight male, no. I want to start there. No. Back to you, Raven. What's going on?
Thank you so much.
No, thank you for being brave.
I'm trying. He just.
What did he do? I'm sorry, I don't mean to question you like this.
No. I need this. I
Yes.
need this. Thank you.
No, thank you.
You're giving me so much power right now. Okay. There's a man. His name is Eric. And, well, hello. I sent a text message. Guess what? No response.
He's ghosting you? Classic tale. Mail sorry, I can't get it out. Come on, Ron, get it together. Women are depending on you.
Thank you, respectable Rod.
Male masculinity. It's toxic.
Talk about it.
You're probably asking yourself, where did they even learn this from? It's these goddamn Marvel movies. It's this goddamn Avengers and all this Spider-Man and Fantastic Four. Yeah, I'm saying it. That's right. I'm a man standing up for a woman. Hurt me if you want, but I'm going to say it.
What about the Fantastic Four?
The Fantastic Four are a goddamn problem. All right? There's only one woman in that group. One woman. And you know what her power is? To turn invisible. Really?
Oh my goodness.
Really? Only a man could come up with such a thing. I'm sorry, Raven. These people want to label. I don't label. I go to the grocery store, I don't know what I'm buying. Jelly, pickles, I don't know. Because I'm not a labeler.
Thank you, Rob.
I don't see color. I just see heat signatures when I walk around. Who's that? I don't know. Maybe that's a Puerto Rican. Feels warm.
Thank you, Rob.
No. I want to thank you for coming here today, Raven.
I
want
feel
to thank
better,
you.
Rob.
And never more will you ever feel this like you want to be happy.
I don't even know how to sit or stand. I just feel it. I feel good.
How about you, Raven? How do you feel?
Oh, I feel good.
Well, I think our work's here done. I think it's done. It's done. I think we should get everyone a drink. We should let the show go on.
Yes, we should. If everyone is drinking tonight, I'd like to say, uno más, salvadore, compadres. It's Spanish and French for my friends. Don't quote me on that, just believe it.
And if you would like a bottle of chitlins, they're upstairs. Or we can bring it to you. But,
Yeah, baby, I like it like that. I like my chitlins. I like it like that. I like my chitlins. I like it like that. I like it chitlins.